Little storyteller.
Sir Reginald, a brave knight with shiny blue armor and a friendly smile, lived in a cozy castle beside a sparkling river. His best friend was Sparky, a little green dragon with big golden eyes. Sparky was a very sweet dragon, but he had a secret worry, his hiccups. One sunny morning, Sparky and Sir Reginald were playing in a field of bright yellow flowers. Suddenly Sparky felt a tickle in his throat. Peth! A tiny fluffy white cloud popped out of his nose and floated into the blue sky. Peth! Another little cloud joined the first. Sparky's cheeks turned a little green with embarrassment. He covered his nose with his small claws. "Oh dear," he mumbled, "my hiccups are making clouds again." Sir Reginald chuckled, a warm and friendly sound. He pointed up at the sky. "Look, Sparky," he exclaimed, "your hiccups are making wonderful fluffy shapes." The little clouds drifted together, looking a bit like a fluffy bunny with long ears. Peth! This time, the cloud was long and thin. "That one looks like a silly sausage." Sir Reginald laughed. Sparky giggled too. Maybe his hiccup clouds weren't so bad after all. "Let's see what other shapes we can make," Sir Reginald suggested. He pointed at a big round cloud that had just floated by. "Try to make one that looks like my brave horse, Bumble." Sparky took a deep breath. Puff, puff! Two small round clouds appeared, then joined together with a longer, thinner one. It wasn't exactly Bumble, but it had a round body and a long neck. A cloud giraffe. Sir Reginald cheered. "That's even more fun." Sparky and Sir Reginald spent the rest of the morning playing with Sparky's hiccups. They made cloud flowers, cloud trees, and even a giant cloud castle that looked just like Sir Reginald's home. Sparky wasn't embarrassed anymore. His hiccups were special. As the sun began to set, painting the sky in shades of orange and pink, Sir Reginald said, "You know, Sparky, sometimes the things we think are strange or silly can actually be quite wonderful." Sparky smiled. He learned that even a dragon's hiccups could be used to create something fun and beautiful, and that made him very happy.
Please subscribe. Thank you.